Let's say I have this one line of code that prints hello. Now, if I want to print this hello 1 time, this is fine. But what if I want to print hello 5 times? I can copy and paste this line again and again. This works, but now think about this. What if I want to print hello 100 times or 1000 times? Copy-paste will become very difficult, boring, and bad practice. This is where loops come in. So what is a loop? A loop means repeat. In simple words, a loop tells Python, do this same task again and again. Now look at this code. For I in range 5, print hello. This will print hello 5 times without copy-paste. Python runs this code 5 times automatically. So instead of writing many lines, we write one smart line. Next, why loops are important. We use loops when we want to repeat something. We want to save time. We want clean and short code. Loops make our code faster, shorter, smarter. Instead of writing the same code again and again, we use loops to repeat work easily. Now that you understand what loops are. So now, let's talk about the for loop. What is a for loop? A for loop is used when we know how many times we want to repeat something. For example, 5 times, 10 times, 100 times. Look at this code. For I in range 5, print hello. This will print hello 5 times. Python starts from 0 and stops before 5. So it runs 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, that is 5 times. Next, printing numbers using loop. Now let's print numbers. For I in range 5, print I, output will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Here, I is just a variable. It changes its value every time. Important point, range 5 means repeat 5 times. I takes values one by one. Print I prints current value like this. That's it, nothing more. Also, if you want to start from 1, for I in range 1, 6, print I, then the output will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Also drop in comments what will be the output of this code. And let's quickly recap. Summary. First of all, for loop repeats code, as we already have seen. Range controls how many times, like 5 times, and the advantage is less code and get more work. So we have completed basic overview of loops, and next, we will learn more about loops in our coming challenges. Till then, bye.